Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe for teeth whitening at home, how you can whiten your teeth and turn it to pearl white naturally. And this remedy doesn't cause any bad sides or side effects on the animal or anything. It is super effective. You can use it daily and you will notice a great results from first use. The first thing we will need to prepare that recipe, we need cloves, and cloves is super helpful in teeth whitening, and it is super healthy for teeth enamel, and it's very effective in whitening your teeth. We need to grind fine the cloves, and we need around half teaspoon of grinded fine cloves. Then my friends, we need half teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Mix these two ingredients together like so. Then my friends, we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and here I'm using parachute coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil available for you. Now mix the ingredients very well. After mixing all the ingredients together like that, my friends, with your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush on the remedy like so, and brush each tooth with that remedy. It whiten the teeth naturally, guys. It will get you an amazing results from first use. You will notice a great results. It's a must try remedy to whiten your teeth naturally. It's kind of making your teeth removes any kind of stains of your teeth. If you smoke or drink a lot of coffee, you experience teeth stains, so this will remove the teeth stains naturally, guys. It is super effective. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.